how to log in to Fifth Third Bank online step by step. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're looking for a simple way to log into your Fifth Third online banking account, you are in the right place. First of all, launch open any web browser on your computer, your phone, or your tablets. In the URL box, type in 53.com and search. You will then end up in the official website for Fifth Third Bank. Go ahead and look for the login option at the top right corner and click on it. You'll be able to find the fields to sign into online banking. Make sure you've selected online banking from the top drop-down and then go to the user ID field and write down your user ID associated with your account. On the next field, write down your correct password carefully. If you don't remember your password or your credentials, click on Forgot Login option and follow the instructions. After filling in your credential, click Login. Fifth Third Bank may ask for additional verification such as one-time code sent to your phone, email, or authenticator app. Enter the code to continue, and once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Fifth Third online banking dashboard. That's how you easily log into Fifth Third online banking account using your computer, your tablets, or your mobile devices. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.